Hello, good afternoon. This is Lego Tony B. I've got another Bric Tek to build, y'all. The mini bulldozer, 98 pieces. You know, as always, these are like $7 kits or so. I really enjoy doing them, so I will put it together and let you know how it turns out. Alright, be back shortly. Bye. And I'm back with the Bric Tek mini dozer. Another fairly solid build from, and jeekers, I just dropped something else. Hang on. Okay. Anyways, I started to film this and I dropped the mini dozer off the edge of the bed, and apparently we're having focusing problems. There we go. I don't know why I gotta put my hand there. Anyways, pretty inexpensive $7 Bric Tek build. I like these for the money, and they're cute and they seem pretty solid. I like the Bric Tek square mini figures. The front pieces on here were pre-printed. The power brick, the brick that says power, and the bucket pieces there, shallow bucket, I guess, I don't know, whatever, were pre-printed, and the side stickers were stickers in that one, and that one were stickers. Anyways, like I said, you know, pretty solid. The wheels move. The bricks stick together pretty good for Chinese type Legos. Anyways, I will give this a thumbs up, you know, and like a 6, 7 out of 10. Whatever. Anyways, please like, subscribe, comment if you would on my videos. I appreciate that. And also visit my Facebook, which is just Tony Buford. Alright, thank you, and I'll see you next time.